2, 1.
Why you wanna go and do that, love, huh?
Up, y'all. I feel like I haven't really been on here. I don't know why I feel like that. I think it's because I was doing Vlogmas and I was posting every single day, and then I kind of like stopped doing the Vlogmas, and then I just feel like I haven't been on here. I know that I've been absent off Instagram because if you follow me on Instagram, you know I post a snap every day, all day, and I haven't really been on Snap. But this is the thing, y'all. It is 2020. It is 2020. It is 2020, and one of my New Year's resolutions was to bring in multiple forms of income. So what I've been trying to do is just get some stuff together to make that happen for myself, like just taking the steps and then just leaving it up to God, leaving it up to the universe. I want to have multiple streams of income. I actually started an Instagram store. I started an Instagram store, and I'm trying to like mess with Poshmark a little bit more, but I really am like into this Instagram store that I made. And I just wanted to show it to y'all. It's not something that I'm going to be promoting on my main Instagram. If you pay close attention, for the last couple of days I've been posting like things here and there about it, but it's not something that I want to take those followers over to this account to follow it. I just want to build kind of a whole new like clientele of people who are interested in fashion and vintage and like thrifting. Like the other day I went thrifting and found a lot of good stuff and I resold it. So I'm like, wow, this is crazy. So I decided to start an Instagram store, and the Instagram store is called Closet Salt. That is the name that I came up with, Closet Salt. And the reason why I picked that name is because when you put salt on something, when you put salt on your food, it makes it better, right? I put salt in the closet. Shop Closet Salt. Yeah, this is my Instagram store. It's thrift, resale, things that have never been worn before, vintage stuff. I got a couple vintage items on there. I have men's. I'm gonna have men's and women's. I'm gonna be thrifting and doing all the hard work to find y'all some dope stuff for really, so I can sell it to y'all very, very cheap, so y'all can be drippy in the thrifted drip. To put y'all in some thrifted drip for the low, I'm telling you. And everything, y'all can completely trust me. I go thrifting myself. I wash everything. I make sure it's good. Like I make sure that it's not gonna be some BS that you're going to get. Like if I say it's new with the tags, it's new with the tags. If I say it's like new, it's damn near like new. Like I'm gonna get y'all some good stuff to buy, men's and women's. So on there right now, I got a couple hats. I got this like vintage windbreaker jacket that's for sale on there, and I got a pair of men's shoes on there, never been worn before. You just gotta go check it out. I've got some fashion over dresses over there that I've never worn, never touched before. I'm actually doing a giveaway over on that page right now, so all you have to do is follow the Instagram, like the post, tag somebody, and then you will win a chance to get one free item worth $50 or less. Sent to you free of charge. You can pick anything you want, and you'll get it for free. From me. I'm sending it to you. I'll pay for the shipping. I'm paying for your shipping. But anyways, though, thank y'all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.